Guys, this is Central Ohio Fishing here. We got William. He hooked up with this this little one here.
Shaky head.
I caught one over there by the trees about 30 minutes ago. So
we're fishing at Highland Park right now. So
yeah, it's a local lake around my house. The bite's really slow this morning. We're just out here. I'm fishing a swim jig. He's fishing this shaky head Senko. Pretty nice day, but I don't know. We'll get back with you guys.
All right, let's
get the release.
There he goes.
Okay.
I'm fishing these tree lines out here. Underneath this cover, a bunch of wood, grass, just flipping some jigs and shaky heads. I just hooked up on the shaky head. Let's reel him in. Not a bad one. Little dink. Caught him in that tree line over there. Plop it out. A little small one. There he goes.
All right, guys. Slow bite today out on Highland Park Lake. I don't know. We caught 3. He caught 2. I caught 1. We didn't get mine on video, so I'll put a picture of it at the end of this. And yeah, we'll be making a video here soon, probably Saturday. We're planning a trip to Alum Creek Lake, maybe do some muskie fishing. We're doing a bass tournament with our club. And if you guys are in Central Ohio and you are in that club, you need to join. It's Kokosing Valley Junior Anglers. I think we got
Instagram page.
Yeah, the Instagram page.
It's on our Instagram. Shouted them out.
Oh yeah, we got like 15 kids in it right now. We got a 20 kid limit, so hurry up and join if you're interested. All right.
All right, we were out here. I'll tell you what we're doing. We were flipping some shaky heads and jigs out here underneath these tree lines, along through there. Just made our way around. It's a pretty slow bite, but we still got a couple small ones, and we'll get back to you.
Last second, just hooked up with one.
You got one on the jig?
Probably the best one of the day. I haven't caught really much.
Yeah, he's a little longer than what we got.
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
He just hammered it.
All right, let's get the release.
Hang on, there's Grandpa right there. I'll show it to him.
All right.
Get the release.
Here we go.